Most people get this wrong. They think cloud gaming is the same everywhere. But the surprising truth about NetBoom is that it allows you to play high-end PC games on almost any device without owning a gaming PC. NetBoom streams games from its servers directly to your phone, tablet, or low-end computer. You won't believe what happens next. You can play AA titles like Cyberpunk or Fortnite with minimal setup, all through an intuitive app. Using NetBoom is simple. You install the app, log in, and pick a game. The platform offers virtual PCs with different performance tiers. Higher tiers improve resolution and frame rates, but cost more. Subscription plans are flexible, letting you pay for time or monthly access. One of the biggest advantages is accessibility. You don't need powerful hardware. Plus, NetBoom supports controllers and keyboard setups, making the experience close to a traditional PC. However, there are limitations. Cloud gaming depends heavily on your internet speed. Anything below 20 Mbps may cause lag. Game library availability varies, and not all titles are included. Occasional server issues can also disrupt gameplay. In conclusion, NetBoom is excellent if you want to play PC games on devices that normally couldn't handle them. Just make sure you have a strong internet connection, and it can be a convenient, cost-effective way to access high-end games. Subscribe for more honest cloud gaming reviews to help you find the right platform for your setup.